Welcome back. How you are doing today? I hope you all are having a great day. Thank you all so much for stopping by today. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe and do turn on your notification post so as to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Today's video is about how to style African prints during the winter time. The clothes that we're featuring today is by one of my fellow YouTuber here. She goes by Niella Creation. On her YouTube, she go by name, I think Niella Creation. I'll put it on the screen in order not to, blunder her name or I mispronounce it. She's an entrepreneur. She's based in Canada. She's a Nigerian like me, and I am all about supporting as much as I can, and it's within my reach. Why not? So I decided to go ahead and I purchased this outfit that I'm going to be styling for you all to see how I'm going to be rocking this during the winter time. Also, you can rock it during the spring and the summertime. We are going to be styling that when it's time. All right, let's do now. Let's tomorrow take care of itself. Please, ladies, don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. I always like to read comments from you. And if you're subscribing to my channel for the first time, put I subscribe under it and I will surely return the love back to you. So the dresses that I'll be featuring today, I have two dresses in the box, and she's actually sent me some goodies, some hair ruffles, hair band that I can use to put my hair in nice shape if they are flying around. I have 3 of them there. Also, she gave me a wallet. That wallet, you can actually put some of your cards, your cards. I'm talking about debit card, credit card. You all know what I'm talking about, ID card and all that good stuff. Also, that wallet will take paper notes, where you can put paper notes. But I don't want to waste too much of your time, so these 2 dresses, I'm going to be styling them in a way that is appropriate for the winter. Starting this out, starting this look with black on black. Because the jacket I'm going to be presenting, they are multicolors and you can actually wear it in different ways. I'm so excited for this jacket, but today, just to make it look all simple and easy to go, we are starting with black on black. I like the fact that the jacket is lined inside and it has 2 pockets. It's really beautiful, and I like how it's free around here with the 2 pockets and multicolor jackets. I think she called it Olori. Yeah, this jacket came with a belt. That belt will help you to accentuate your waist and make you look more feminine. I like it. It's not the way I tie it. One is longer than the other one. It doesn't matter. We can always fix that, We don't want to waste time. Simplydemi, yeah, that's me. I went ahead and took off the belt to make Simplydemi, and I use it all around my hat to give it more, to elevate my. Just pulled up to the house, don't feel like it. With the second dress, all I did, I traded the jeans for a sheer tights that showed a little bit of skin. It's black. I decided to take off the jeans and put on that, and same boots. The only difference between these 2 outfits that I switched up is the sheer tights that you all are seeing, and of course I went ahead and pop on the hat at the same time to make it more classy and more more chic. I like the fact that the dress is fitted, and guess what, this dress is trending because it has ruffles at the side, which is one of the trending outfits for 2023 fashion. All right, I really like how this feels. It feels so good. It's this is size 10/12 UK. I really like the fit. It's very, very comfortable. You don't have to suck in any belly. You are good to go. And this you can wear during the winter time, spring and summertime. This is how I style this for the winter time, but during the summertime I'm going to be restyling it, and I will let you all see it either in the video or in the picture. Mom and Dad's only daughter, do I make you proud? Writing my life in lyrics to your like sound, seeking approval. Just in case you just don't want to do the art, you can pop in sunglasses. It's really dark in here with the sunglasses I'm wearing. We all know sunglasses are meant for the outside, not indoor. All right, we're just styling. So ladies, I hope you all enjoyed watching this video. Just like I mentioned before, in the beginning of this video. If today is your first time coming across my channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Do turn on your notification post so as to get notified as well whenever I have a new video. Leave me a comment section below. Let me know which one is your favorite, and if you do subscribe, tell me in the comment section I subscribe, and I'll return the love back to you with a beautiful hug. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you all in my next video. Stay blessed. Bye bye.